all the worthy teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I say a wonderful great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Chhavi.
My name is Chhavi, the student of class 8 Excellence in Sunrise Public School. Today I am here for delivering a wonderful speech on the topic sound. So let's start. Firstly, the question arises, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which gives us the persistence of hearing. Sound is produced by vibration of an object. What is vibration? The rapid to and fro motion of an object is known as vibration. Let's take an example. When we stretch a tightly stretched string, it vibrates and also produces sound. Sound is not only produced by vibration in string, it can also produce vibration in air columns and in stretch membrane. Now let us study about how sound is produced in humans. In humans, sound is produced by larynx. It is also known as voice box. There are two vocal cords which are on the inside lining of the larynx. When the air passes through the opening, it vibrates and also produces sound. The frequency of sound in women is more shriller than in men. Children have very shorter vocal cord. Our next topic is sound needs a material for propagation. We know that sound cannot travel through vacuum because air is not present in vacuum. Sound travels from solid, liquid and gas. Sound travels faster in solid than in liquid and slowest in air. Our next topic is loudness. Loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude of the vibration. How much the loudness? It depends on the amplitude. If the amplitude is 2 times, then the loudness is 4 times. Loudness is measured in decibels. The sound of 80 decibels became very painful for us. Next is pitch. The pitch of the sound depends upon its frequency. Higher the frequency, more the pitch. If the frequency is more, then the sound is known as shriller, and if the frequency is low, then the sound is known as flat sound. The women have more frequency than men because women have shorter vocal cord than men and children have very short vocal cord. Next we will discuss about audible and inaudible sound. Audible sound have a range which from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. We can hear that sound, and inaudible which are out of this range. Next is infrasonic and ultrasonic sound. Infrasonic sound are those which are less than 20 Hz and ultrasonic are those which are more than 20 Hz. Children can hear the sound of 25 kHz and many animals like dog can hear ultrasonic sound and bats can also hear the ultrasonic sound of 1 lakh Hz. Next is time period and frequency. Time period. The time taken by object to complete one vibration is known as time period. It is denoted by T. And frequency. Frequency, how much the vibration, the oscillation is done by an object in 1 second is known as frequency. It is denoted by F and is measured in Hertz. The frequency, we can find frequency by 1 by time period. Now our next topic is noise and music. Noise is a sound which is unpleasant for our ears and it is an irregular sound. And music is pleasant for our ears and it is very regular sound. Music has a series of regular sound. Now it's time to ask question. Riya, stand up. What is sound?
Sound, it is a form of energy that is produced by the sensation of hearing.
Very good. Sit down. Clap for Riya. Garvik, stand up. How is sound produced?
Sound is produced by the vibrating of objects.
Very good. Sit down. Clap for Garvik.